Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix OMI TV loading screen or loading error. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So simply tap open your OMI TV, and if you're facing this kind of issue on your OMI TV as well, then all you can do is simply tap hold your OMI TV app and tap on the eye like icon. There will take you to the app info of this device, so you can simply check in the permission section that your camera has been allowed or not. If it has not been allowed, then you can simply allow it, or you can simply go and tap on the storage option. There in the storage option, try to clear the cache of the app itself. And if this problem is still persisting, and if this does not solve anything, then you can simply try to change your internet facility or try to use your VPN to solve this problem. Or if the ultimate decision is to simply reinstall your OMI TV app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.